Hi, welcome to OPTO Engineering's Tech Insights. Industrial cameras play a crucial role across a wide range of industries, providing necessary vision capabilities for many different applications. Manufacturing and quality control. In manufacturing, industrial cameras are used for quality control, defect detection, and process monitoring. These cameras inspect products for defects, measure dimensions, and ensure adherence to quality standards, helping manufacturers maintain product consistency and reduce waste. They are also employed in assembly line automation, guiding robots and machinery in precise positioning and alignment tasks. The automotive industry. Industrial cameras are integral to automotive manufacturing processes, where they facilitate tasks such as part inspection, surface defect detection, and assembly verification. Cameras are used to inspect components for flaws, ensure proper assembly of parts, and monitor production lines for efficiency and quality. Vision systems are also employed in automotive safety systems such as lane departure warning and collision avoidance. The pharmaceutical industry. Industrial cameras are vital in pharmaceutical production, aiding in formulation and monitoring and ensuring the quality of drug products. They enable precise monitoring of processes like granulation and tablet compression, ensuring uniformity. These cameras also support research by providing high resolution images for particle analysis and new drug development. In manufacturing, these cameras ensure accurate assembly and dimensional accuracy, detecting defects and ensuring compliance. They also contribute to post-marketing surveillance, monitoring device performance for safety and innovation. The medical device industry. Industrial cameras are essential in medical device manufacturing, facilitating precise assembly and quality assurance. They aid in prototype visualization and analysis during design, ensuring product refinement. In manufacturing, these cameras ensure accurate assembly and dimensional accuracy, detecting objects and ensuring compliance. They also contribute to post-market surveillance, monitoring device performance for safety and innovation. The agricultural and food processing industries. Industrial cameras play a vital role in agriculture and food processing, where they are used for tasks such as crop monitoring, quality inspection, and sorting. Cameras mounted on drones or agricultural equipment capture aerial images for crop analysis and yield estimation. In food processing facilities, cameras inspect products for defects, contaminants, and proper packaging, ensuring food safety and quality compliance. Research and scientific imaging. Industrial cameras are widely used in research laboratories and scientific institutions for imaging and analysis purposes. They capture high-speed, high-resolution images for microscopy, spectroscopy, particle tracking, and other scientific applications. These cameras enable researchers to study biological specimens, analyze materials, and conduct experiments with precision and accuracy. Check out more tech insights on social platforms and on our website.